Your nervous system is tired, not you. Before you scroll, this isn't burnout. It's your nervous system asking for safety. Today isn't just another Sunday. It's the first day of winter, and your nervous system feels it. It's also World Meditation Day, a reminder that before we reset our goals, we have to reset our bodies. If you've been doing all the right things, showing up, pushing through, staying strong, but something inside you still feels tight, restless, or on edge, I want you to know you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. Today's Soulful Sunday is not about fixing you. It's about helping your body feel safe again. If you stay with me for the next few minutes, you'll learn why exhaustion doesn't always mean you need rest. It means you need regulation. Why meditation doesn't have to look like silence or sitting still, and how to reconnect with calm without adding another task to your life. Before we continue, take a breath with me, just one. No pressure, no performance. If content like this helps you slow down, ground yourself, or feel understood, I invite you to subscribe. Here on this channel, we focus on soulful wellness, nervous system care, and rituals that fit into real life, especially for women who carry a lot. And now, let's begin. Just a quick note before we go deeper. This content is for educational and inspirational purposes only. It's not a replacement for medical or mental health care. Always listen to your body and seek professional support if you need it. This space is about support, not pressure. This week is World Meditation Week, and I want to be honest with you. Meditation has been misunderstood. It's often framed as sitting still for long periods, clearing your mind, or doing it right. But that version doesn't work for everyone, especially if you're already overwhelmed. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about giving your nervous system a moment of relief. It's not spiritual bypassing. It's physiological support. And in a world that constantly demands your attention, your energy, your output, stillness becomes a form of resistance. Most people think burnout means I'm doing too much, but often what it really means is I don't feel safe enough to rest. When your nervous system stays in survival mode too long, it doesn't know how to shut off. You can sleep and still wake up tired. You can slow down and still feel anxious. That's not a motivation problem. That's a regulation problem. And this is where meditation, real meditation, comes in. Meditation is not escaping your life. It's returning to yourself inside it. It's the moment your shoulders drop without you forcing them. It's the exhale you didn't realize you were holding. It's the pause between reaction and response. And it doesn't require an hour of silence, a perfect environment, or a quiet mind. Sometimes meditation looks like just one intentional breath, applying a familiar ritual before bed, or pausing before the next decision. At AJ's EO Infusions, we believe in micro-meditation because small, consistent moments of calm change everything. If it feels comfortable, let's take 30 seconds together. You can keep your eyes open or closed, whatever feels safest. Inhale gently through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, Inhale and exhale. Notice your body, not to judge it, just to meet it. Where can you soften just 5%? Your jaw, your shoulders, your breath. There's nothing to achieve here. Just permission to be. Take one more breath at your own pace. When your nervous system is regulated, your decisions become clearer, your boundaries strengthen, and your emotions stop running the show. Calm isn't passive, it's powerful. And the more you practice returning to yourself, even briefly, the easier it becomes. This week, I invite you to treat meditation not as a task, but as a relationship with your body. World Meditation Day is your reminder that you don't have to earn rest. You're allowed to pause now. You're allowed to choose ease now. You're allowed to feel supported now. Stay with us all week as we continue this conversation through our Transformative Tuesday blog, our Wellness Wednesday podcast, and daily reminders to slow down without guilt. If this resonated, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone whose soul feels tired. Your calm is not behind schedule, it's right on time.
When you're ready, gently return to your day. There's nothing you need to rush into. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If this helped your nervous system soften even a little, I invite you to stay connected. Subscribe for more Soulful Sundays, Transformative Tuesdays, and Wellness Wednesdays, where we talk about calm, clarity, and care that fits real life. Until next time, take care of yourself gently. Your calm is allowed to come first.